now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV. In case you want call, talk to Evelle, make you call, talk to Evelle, and make we continue. Start, in fact, start because we never even ask Evelle any question. Now, Evelle, when you start music?
Professionally.
Not saying that from your mama belly.
No, professionally. Professionally, I start music when I was 18 years old.
How old you? Okay, make I not ask you.
No, if you ask, it's not something.
How old you now?
I'm 24 now.
You're 24 now.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many years you done singing? Like 6 years now?
Yeah.
You go to school for singing?
No.
But you go school?
Yes.
Why you think before you answer?
No, you know, say not trust you,
No.
Why you not trust me?
Actually, I go school of what have you call them now?
You go
a lot of
school.
people don't know this, so a lot of people don't know this. I'm going to say here. I actually left school when I was in JS3. So everything I know right now is something where I don't learn from my friends like one-on-one as I learn from me as I talk to you right now. Yeah, so that's all you need to know about me.
That's nice.
Wait till you run, go come on there, go.
No, I don't run. It was not on purpose. It was not on purpose. Then you know, so that time you had gone.
They give you belly.
If I ask is it me? How we go ask? Me and Izibit, we are like from way back home. I'm telling you, Izibit knows me from like way back home. I'm serious, I was a tomboy.
Who give her belly?
No, she wasn't pregnant. She not get belly.
Papa, you know they talk to
She not get belly. We go a lot of rehearsals together, way back, some dancing, some singing.
Dancing school.
Follow, no, we are strict like that with discipline, you know.
We
now, your parents, your parents, they support you. Before you answer, talk back from Abuja. Good evening. Mohammed from Abuja.
Oh, join.
Talk by Mohammed. Na name. Hello. Okay, call us back. Thank you. Now, your parents, your mama and your papa, then support your music work.
Oh, totally. Because normally I was born into a music family. Like I grew up watching my dad. I grew up rather. I won't speak English and.
Okay.
I just wait for you now.
I grew up watching my dad do
also
music.
Your papa they sing.
Yeah, he was. My papa
been
been sing with one traditional band.
Okay.
Before he joined NEPA, when they work with NEPA. Yeah, so it was a family thing. And something we say for night, everybody.
Your papa joined the take light. No. Hello, Mohammed. Good evening.
That time to work for NEPA na big thing.
Hello. You take phone? What's your thief phone? They hide to talk now. Maybe
Hello.
Call us back when you don't go outside where they not go see you. From Benin, good evening. Sorry, sweetheart.
Yeah, Benin people don't they call.
Your Benin people don't they call. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hey, good evening.
Hello.
Felix, the cat.
Hello.
Hey, Felix, hello now.
I don't hear you now.
Didn't
tell you go now. Talk something. You want to speak to your sister and you are local.
You want to talk to your sister?
Okay.
Hey, Felix, call us back here because maybe maybe your TV they loud. Call us back here. Hey, when I'm not vex, call us back. Now, your mama and your papa, you say they support your music.
Totally. Like
your
right
mama
from time, they no say no. My mama been the dance because I been the watch am dance. No, she was not dancing professionally, but for house that time, once music starts to play, my papa they sing, my mama they dance. So we got all those things.
Your mama na video vixen. Your mama na video vixen. Let me say your new video. Your mama gonna twerk. Hey.
No, not like that.
No.
I have a very fun family. Trust me. Very fun.
How many Unabi?
How many Nabi for the house?
8. I'm the last of 8.
You're the last.
Yes.
Where all your other ones there?
Everybody they do their thing now.
Who you gonna resemble? Your mama, your papa?
My grandma.
Che.
Now, so far, what it be like they winning Nigerian Idols?
Wow, man, plenty responsibility. Trust me, I don't even know say it go hard like this. I'm not gonna lie, serious, as in serious. I think I would just win Nigerian Idol, man. Limelight don't reach that today, just to do my thing.
Paparazzi, red carpet things.
And I don't know, say work just start, like serious work just start. I never even start the work now, safe, so I know if you complain. So,
but definitely.
It's
Obi or Christopher for Twitter say, they do the girl get talent. I like her.
Yes.
It's a bit. You be biology master. I don't know. How about easy bit? You be biology master.
Wetin?
I don't know.
man, talk listen.
Nah, man, I don't know. Man, though, between two of them. I don't
Okay,
know.
that one where the guy say make you use your finger work on her body. Now make am be biology master.
No, in my they call it
Masseuse. Now, so far, how the journey don't be after winning Nigerian Idols?
Oh yeah, I've been on tour to 20 schools and still counting.
Okay, we'll never finish.
No, we never
for
finished.
Nigeria, for Lagos.
For Nigeria, for
Okay.
20 campuses.
Okay.
I'm still counting. And I've been working in the studio. Like I've worked with Spells, I've worked with Mastercraft, I'm going to work with SARS as well. So I've worked with TK as well, I've worked with several producers. I've dropped a video and a song, and I'm about to drop another song. Another
You get
video.
manager. Come like say you know you're very hardworking somebody. You can say and I'm everything. I don't know.
No, I get manager.
There is available to be your manager. I don't know.
Hello, Kelvin.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How is you?
I'm fine.
You
How
be
na dey
man?
na?
You be man?
Hello, good evening. I can hear you.
Okay, I talk. You want to talk to Evelle?
Yes, I want to talk to her.
She dey hear you.
Hello, Evelle. How are you?
Hello, good evening.
I really love your show.
Oh, thank
I really
you
love how
very
you
much.
perform.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
I mean, you perform as if I don't know. You are just wonderful.
Thank you.
Just keep
Thank you
it
so
up.
much.
Just keep it up. I'm waiting for your own album to come out.
Oh yes, very
go buy
soon.
a
I
Thank
can't
you.
wait. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to buy your album.
Thank you.
You are wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take care
Kelvin.
and be prayerful.
Yes,
Prayerful,
thank you
be
very
prayerful.
much.
Hey, Daddy, careful.
Alright, Nedu.
Nam.
See as your voice change as you talk to Nedu.
Are you with me?
Alright, Kevin, I'm with you.
Na pasada kapasat nam.
Is it?
Ay pasada kapasat. Now I'm going to good night.
That your baby where they your side,
She there here now. You see, I'm Doris. Good evening from Suleja. Doris. Daughter, your TV is too loud. Loud. Hey, your TV loud.
How are you, Nedu?
Fine.
You're not too much. They're enjoying our program.
Thank you.
My TV is too loud. Let me reduce it. Hello?
Hello.
You're not too much, Nedu.
Thank you.
What a PCB.
Did
Hey,
they
biology master there, yeah.
I love you. You are too much. You look sweet, man.
Thank
You
you.
are cute. I love them.
Thank you, yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Women,
Talk how
this
this
women.
Talk how this easy bit be as it's small.
You know who be for school?
Talk this.
Oh no, I don't know I reach like that though.
The one where you know
How will you know?
No, they always they look for babe to check.
Give me
Let me say in they look for.
You very
Wow.
God bless you guys.
Thank you.
In that way, the semper for one corner, very quiet guy. Not a talk.
Yes. It's just the same, but do like say that fun.
You call the
Na chama we dey call am. Make we just dey one side. Just they know they talk. In they talk when they need to talk. You just
Then
dey
the
one
babe, you call
side.
the
Hey,
babe.
so this work, no be today. Oh, child. They don't catch you today. Nothing. You are the day. You don't get your number like this. We get your number.
Don't worry, I go play for radio. I go
Gotcha.
play for Wazobia radio. Nothing that happen. God.
Chai.
But he never really used to talk. Oh, seriously, his beat was just always very.
But babes, is
There's a fool inside. I don't know. There is a father. Gotcha.
Emmanuel from Abuja, good
They
evening.
see the food inside.
Emmanuel. Emma?
Yes.
Yeah?
I don't love that.
Emmanuela or Emmanuel?
Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Ah.
Good evening. You be man or woman?
That woman. Good evening, sir.
Give us a good evening.
Ma?
Good evening.
Hey.
I like your outfit. You are lovely.
Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hello?
Hello. I know again. Emmanuela, Emmanuel.
They know what your own self.
What be your name?
What be your name?
Emmanuel. do Emmanuel.
You be man or woman?
I'm a woman.
Hey, you don't know your name, oh.
Yes, I'm a woman.
If you're a woman, you know if it be Emmanuel.
You can't be Emmanuel.
The woman, they do.
No, Emanuela.
Check yourself. Check yourself where? Check, you just say you woman, check yourself where?
Otherwise, you could be Emanuela.
Check yourself. You have a dudes.
I don't be fear boom, Mrs.
Oh yeah. Hello, Emmanuel. Slash Emmanuel. Because you never hear girl answer Emmanuel before.
I've never in my lifetime, never ever, not in this lifetime or the next lifetime, I can't go.
Sister Emmanuel. Like Sister John.
Anke Emmanuel, okay. I do Emanuela. Even in another language, foreign language, no be Emmanuel.
Mohammed from Abuja, good evening, because this Mohammed, not if it is this phone. What's the Roshi phone?
Mohammed,
I tell you, this guy took this phone.
there's no need now. Yours hang up.
No one, send us text.
It's okay.
Send text.
You don't do, not try again, you don't do.
No worry, don't hide, send text. You hear? We go see him. Thank you. Now,
Hey, Jerry, my sister.
are you serious? Hey,
Easy bit.
we never ask you question. They say 5 minutes, we will soon go. She has to come back. You'll come back next week. Now.
We are putting it to you.
We are putting it to you that you have to come back next week. Is it be Tuesday day when she will come next week?
Same Tuesday now.
Tuesday, you will come next week Tuesday.
Okay.
She can manager. She never answered that question.
You get manager.
I get manager.
Where the manager dey?
They outside.
He dey outside.
And you dey
What?
inside.
And you dey inside.
If you say time, for say me, you go call and come.
For somebody you go call and come now.
Why you go there? Now man or woman?
From Port Harcourt, good evening.
Why you go there outside?
Yeah.
God's power.
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
I better talk to Evelle.
All you do ever see,
I
that's
like-
your translation
I
of your
like the
name.
girl in fact.
You like
Why
her?
you like her?
Good in singing.
Talk to her. She dey hear you.
Are you there, me?
That's
Yes,
power.
I'm
How
Just
far?
advising you to keep it up. I know it's not easy.
Oh,
it's not
thank
easy
you.
actually. Musically, it's not easy. You know, there's some people that are looking for such opportunity, but God really bless you for you to be there.
Yeah.
And for you to be there, you know what you are there for. You have to concentrate and focus.
Sure. Thank
God
you
bless
very
you.
much.
Also
God's
pray
power.
every day with your career, in the hands of God.
I'm
Make
gonna
sure
be
that
daddy, Amy.
Thank you
everything
very
is
God's
much.
done.
power. Why you can't change English career?
Oh, sorry, you won't kill me.
Career. What's up, career? Organic.
Okay, I think I'm like anything to do. Make carry God join body. Make it not allow any other people.
My
to
You
brother,
be
do
there
it.
and learn, You be there and learn.
Oh, now God win.
But good night. I not talk anything. I just say make it carry God. You be there and learn.
I don't know.
Amazing. Good evening. Adeze. Ada.
Sweetie.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, sausage
Good
with voice.
evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Give one.
Yeah. This is my first time of watching your program, your movie show.
My movie.
So I'm very, very excited.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
excitement.
About
Thank you.
easy bit,
And I'd love to watch your movie next time.
Our movie. Thank you. This is our new actress. Her name is Evelle.
Yep. I'm enjoying the program.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Say
Adeze.
hi to her. I love her dress. I love her attire. She's okay.
Thank you very much.
She's
Thank
thanking you.
Adeze.
She's the new actress we just employed. This movie must blow. Check it out in Opiweka. Pound Road, Aba.
What's it with the
Yeah, my dear. Keep it on now.
Thank you. Peace.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Now what film it is now? No,
Now what?
Now movie we they do now.
Now what?
So what's it we call the film? The night
What
show.
is the name of this film? Is it call him?
The night move.
Anyway, sweetheart, person will follow you. Why do they follow you?
Oh yeah, and if you follow me for Twitter, my Twitter handle now Evelle Music. Evelle is spelled EVELLE Music. My Instagram are the same thing, Evelle Music. My Facebook are the same thing, Evelle Music. Then if you check all my videos for YouTube, if you go www.youtube.com/Evelle Music TV.
or just type Evelle, bam, on top YouTube, you go see her. No worry, Evelle,
Next Tuesday.
Evelle will come back next week Tuesday. All of you will love her. Don't worry, that next week she go dance, she go sing,
She go twerk.
she go twerk.
Yeah,
her mama, the video vixen, they'll come. Anyway, until tomorrow, good night. Give us Evelle music.